Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, clicking on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Saturday, December 4th, 2:20, 6 p.m. New York time. Going to discuss the technology sector. So in the S&P 500 index, there's 11 sectors. The largest weighted sector is the technology sector. That makes up 20.8%. So we're looking here on the S&P 500 chart. Each candle is a week. So the current trend is down, lower highs, lower lows. It's doing a retracement of this prior uptrend. Looking at that sector, XLK, again, the #1 technology in the S&P 500 because it makes up the largest percentage. You can trade the stock ETF instead of buying the single stocks. It's also lower lows, lower highs, doing a retracement of the prior trend. Got it? So there's some similarities because a large percentage of the S&P 500 is weighted to this index. Now let's look inside this look inside this sector, and we'll look at some of the industries inside of it. There's several industries, and we'll go ahead and look at the 6 of them. First, we'll look at here, communications equipment. And again, each stock will be a weekly time period. Each candle is a week, and the duration is 1 year. So in this industry, communication equipment in the technology sector, look at Jupiter. Juliet, November, Papa, Romeo. Yeah, do I speak much? Struggle's real. Juliet, November, Papa, Romeo. Okay, similarity. See that? It's a retracement, lower lows, lower highs. Green area is a demand zone where buyers were before. Potential trade idea when it comes to that level, if it does. Next, Cisco. It's even worse. Okay, look, just 2 weeks ago, we were all-time high here in Jupiter. Cisco is declining even earlier, but did touch this demand zone. Buyers rejected it, and it's trending up. So what's it doing? Making higher highs, higher lows than the stock ETF and the S&P 500 in this stock. But again, we're not at an all-time high. It's just interesting how it's going. Buyers are accumulating Cisco. So take that as a trade out there. Charlie Alpha Lima X-ray, trending down, lower lows, lower highs. Ericsson, near record low of the year. The struggle is real. Yep. What's up with that country? You know what country they come from, right? Is Ericsson Swedish and Nokia is Finland? Double check that. Nokia, okay. Nokia. Yep, it's in a consolidation. Here's the high for the year. It's in a consolidation. Notice when I zoom in, it's also in a wedge. It's building a coil to these lines, and it's getting tighter, that coil. Yeah, it's going to be breaking out at some point, up or down, and that's a potential trade idea. I'm watching that one. And India, November, Sierra Golf, trending lower, near the low of the year. Not good. Not good. So the takeaway is, in the communications equipment industry, which is again part of the technology sector, most of them are performing poorly. Let's go to the next. Computer hardware. Lima, Oscar, Golf, India. Yep, they're record lows for the year. Not good. Hewlett Packard, outstanding, all-time new high. Broke that swing high that was there. Outstanding. This is leadership for the past 2 weeks in a row. Outstanding. Very good. Very, very good. Dell Computer, outstanding, all-time new high. Past 2 weeks trending higher. Outstanding. Look, consolidation, breakout to the upside, consolidation, staircase pattern, higher high. Whiskey Delta Charlie, Western Digital. Nope, struggle's real. Huge consolidation and this trend down. Yeah, it could reverse and go higher. You have an inside candle, but the other one's already proving themselves as success. Sierra Tango X-Ray. Take out that all-time high, made a new high. So remove this and it's in a consolidation. That's good. Okay, on to the next. Look at the internet content and information. Snap. Yeah, new low for the year. Terrible, under $50, way off the highs. Grubhub. Wow, that was a success story years ago. And look at that, new low for the year, almost at $10. Let's zoom out even longer. Let's go out to the monthly, put each one on a month. So here's the history of it. When it did its IPO all the way back then, that was 2014, ran up to that high during 2018 and just had a climb. And now it's near record lows. That's not good. Pinterest, P-I-N-C, Papa India November, Sierra, all-time new low, also failure. Let's put this on a monthly. Just IPO a few years ago and already huge decline this whole year. So what business model did they change maybe, or what competition came and took them down? Think about it. Twitter, all-time new low for the year. Struggle's real. Groupon, also record low for the year. Let's put that on a monthly. Yep. Wow. So last year was the all-time low, and we're getting closer to that. Each of these is a monthly. Not good. Sierra, Tango, Kilo, Shutterstock, excuse me. I apologize. Huge decline. Again, here's the low for the year, but the past few weeks have been declining. And look, we had consolidation, impulse move up, consolidation, breakout to the upside, consolidation. Now it's soft. And that 125 was clues of selling off there. Let's go on to the next. We'll look at semiconductors. Intel, India, November, Tango Charlie. Well, here's the low for the year right there. And we already took it out. And we're in a consolidation. It's looking bearish, like a bear flag. That's not good. But we did form an inside candle for the week. Potential reversal. Watch that for potential breakout above $50. That might be a fast trade for some option trades. Maybe trade options that expire 7 or 14 days. Buy out of the money calls up there if you think it's going to break out to the upside. Or inverse, because this area, let me label this. This might be a demand zone forming here, potentially. Yeah, right there. Buyers might be getting in there. Okay. Label this so when I come back and show this in a future video, we'll know exactly the time I was looking at it. Potential. Yep, and let's put a little arrow so know it's that weak. Okay, on to the next. November Victor Delta Alpha. Yep, all-time new high the past 2 weeks and retracement. Also an acceleration, strong like bull. Alpha Sierra Mike Lima. Yeah, huge sell-off. Went up there, had a retest, failed to take out that high, so that was weakness. And again, huge impulse move down. Alpha Victor Golf Oscar, huge consolidation. Last candle for the week, inside candle, potential reversal. Texas Instruments, huge consolidation. Yeah, let's put this back longer for several years. There we go. Most of this year, huge consolidation. Let's put it on a monthly. That's very suspicious. These kind of candles up over here. Okay. That rejecting that price 200. Let's go back on the weekly. rejected several times. So potential trade ideas is bearish. Watch that one closely. Lima Romeo Charlie X-ray, all-time new high. Outstanding. Took out that swing high, removed that, and it formed a bearish pin bar. So one would think we have a potential downside on here because it's a bearish pin bar. See what happens in the near future. Already did Intel. Let's go on to the next group of semiconductors. Alpha Mike, Alpha Tango, consolidation, broke out to the upside consolidation. So this retracement here of this big impulse move, that's good. Yeah, that's a bearish pin bar, but it's in the consolidation phase. So that 150 level right now is where sellers are. Alpha Delta India, consolidation from an impulse move up. From a trend up. Wolf, Whiskey, Oscar, Lima, Foxtrot. Oof. Yeah, past 2 weeks selling off. Lower lows, lower highs. AMD. Yep. Huge consolidation. So buyers still in that. Micron, Mike Uniform. Consolidation phase. But again, these are higher highs, lower lows. So it's more of a consolidation phase there. Qualcomm took out that swing high a few weeks ago. Let's remove that. Made a new high. So it's in a consolidation. That's good. On to the next technology industry, which would be the software. Double check. Yep. Shopify. Wow, that's a big retracement right into that 1400, but buyers stepped in there. So see if that continues as a potential reversal. This is considered a demand zone where buyers have been stepping in, and time will tell. Okay. Next. Charlie Romeo, Mike, Salesforce. Oof. Deep retracement, already in this consolidation. Yeah, massive sell-off there. It's not good. Intuit, huge consolidation. That's good. Up near the highs. Alpha Delta Sierra Kilo Autodesk, really bad. Yep, already bound here near the year low. Huge impulse move last 2 weeks ago. Now inside candle there. Massive sell-off. Whiskey Delta Alpha Yankee, again, huge decline. Romeo November Golf, also new low for the year. Not good. On to the next. Charlie Oscar Uniform Papa. Oh, new low for the year. Failure. Hub Hotel Uniform Bravo Sierra. Yep. So look at that. Broke out as consolidation. Lower lows, lower highs, and buyers stepping in here. So this consolidation, this impulse move up, buyers are defending that. Alpha Victor Lima Romeo. Oh, that's terrible. A lot of red. Uber Uniform Bravo Echo Romeo. New low for the year. Let's go further back because this did IPO not too long ago. Let's go back on the monthly. On the monthly, okay. Go back on the weekly. Here's the IPO back there. So now we're slightly below the IPO. And for the year, we're near record lows of the year. But look at this, 330, 35. This range has been a huge demand zone for buyers. Why? Because it was accumulating there. Impulse move up to the upside. So potential trade out there. Yeah, potential trade out there. Let's look at it on the daily to see what's happening. Yep, got ready. Keep watching that. And Lyft, new low for the year. And Coin, Charlie Oscar India, Charlie Oscar Indy November. Huge decline. Yep. did an IPO this year. It's a financial exchange for cryptocurrencies, and it's trading below the IPO. Failure, not good. Check my video out just before. This one was posted telling you about stock IPOs for 2021. You can see how many of them are filled. Go on to the next. Look at the software infrastructure. Oracle, Oscar, Romeo, Charlie, Lima. Yep, huge sell down strength. Microsoft. Okay, consolidation breakout coming to this midpoint and buyers stepping in. That looks good. I have to watch that closely for potential buying on the dip. BlackBerry. Nope. Wow. So for the year, new low for the year. Yep, that was the low before it took it out. Inside that range of last year. Not good. Adobe, Alpha, Delta, Bravo, Echo. Yep, huge sell-off also. Hood, Robinhood. A broker. All-time new low. There was the IPO this year and new low below $25. Another failure. Yep, bad business. Okay, we're ended there.